lights off.
Got it. Turning off the table mirror light.
Mirror lights on.
Okay. Turning mirror lights on.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Primo_FX, and today I want to share my personal experience comparing two different Wi-Fi smart switches that may look similar but behave very differently in real life. If you are planning a smart home setup or an electrical upgrade, this will help you avoid common mistakes and choose what actually works for your environment. Introduction. In this video we are looking at Switch A and Switch B. Both are Wi-Fi smart switches, but their design, usage, and reliability are not the same. Everything I am saying here is from my personal experience, not theory. Switch: a Wi-Fi switch with built and manual control. Switch A comes with Wi-Fi and manual switching already built into the unit. What it offers? It works with Wi-Fi and also works like a normal wall switch. It comes as 1 gang up to 4 gang. It replaces a traditional wall switch completely. You can always turn the light on or off manually even if Wi-Fi is down. From experience, Switch A feels natural, especially for homes moving from traditional wiring to smart systems. Switch B: Wi-Fi switch module with S1 and S2. Switch B is mainly a Wi-Fi control module. It has S1 and S2 terminals that allow you to connect a separate manual switch if you want. What it offers? Wi-Fi control is the main function. Manual switch is optional and external. It controls 1 light per module. It is usually installed inside a switch box or ceiling box. Similarities between Switch A and Switch B. They both work on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. They can both connect to Google Home. You can control both using your phone. Their initial setup process is very similar. So at the basic level, both are smart switches. Advantage of Switch B over Switch A. This is where Switch B performs better in real life. First is distance control. Switch B works from anywhere as long as the device and your phone are connected to the internet. There is no distance limitation. With Switch A there is a distance barrier, especially during reconnection. Second is power outage recovery. After a temporary power shutdown, Switch B reconnects automatically. No phone location, no Bluetooth. Your phone does not need to be close to the switch. With Switch A you must turn on phone location and Bluetooth. Your phone must also be close to the switch to reconnect. This matters a lot in places with unstable power. Advantage of Switch A over Switch B. Switch A wins when it comes to physical design and convenience. It has Wi-Fi and manual control in 1 unit. It supports multiple gangs in a single switch. It looks cleaner and more professional on the wall. Switch B can only control 1 light per module. If you want to control more than 1 light, you need multiple Switch B units. This increases wiring work cost and space usage. Connection process. Switch A. First you connect the light as shown in the diagram, whichever method you prefer, and download the app. Power on the switch. Turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and phone location. Keep the phone close to the switch. Add it to the app in assigned rooms. Switch B. First you connect the light as shown in the diagram, whichever method you prefer, and download the app. Power on the module. Connect it to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi using the app. To connect both to Google Home, you need to download Google Home on your phone, and on Google Home, you will click on the plus sign to add device for each app. After setup, it reconnects automatically even after power loss. If you want a clean wall switch with manual control and multiple gang, Switch A is a good choice. If you want reliable remote control, automatic reconnection, and less stress after power outages, Switch B is the better option. Neither is perfect, it depends on your use case, power stability, and how you want to control your home. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.